Hey guys, my name's Taylor and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to film this because I actually got this, I think yesterday, and this is my Colourpop Mystery Bag. I have no idea what's in here. I haven't opened it up yet and I'm so excited. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also that notification bell. That way you can get notified when I upload my next video. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So it's really cute packaging. It's like this little decorative plastic bag. It says Colourpop and it has the little pink cheetah, and I really think it's cute. And then on the back it says, "Let's get wild." So I'm super excited. So I think it's really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Like, I always need more makeup, and I love Colourpop because they're so affordable and they have really good products for a really solid price point. So if you haven't looked into Colourpop, I definitely recommend them. Okay. Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pour this out on my little desk. $25, but with a $55 retail value, which means that there should be $55 worth of products in here. So that's what makes it even more fun. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead and go through our first product. This is a pressed powder shadow, and it is in the shade Snake Eyes. So let's go ahead and open this. So it comes in like a little lab sample packaging. You can see it right here. I don't know if you could pick that up, but it's so pretty. I'm gonna love this. I mean, they're single eyeshadow, so what you could actually do is put them into a Z palette and then start your own little collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. I love how creamy Colourpop shadows always feel. They're so creamy. So that's it on my finger. And then let's swatch it right here. Oh, that is so pretty. It's very reflective, which is going to be super pretty on the eyelids with a matte shade. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really pretty. Ooh, so that's super cute. I love that. And then we have a Super Shock eyeshadow, and it's called Party of 5. So this is super cute. I've actually heard of this shade being like a favorite. I've heard of people talking about this. So the awesome thing about Colourpop Super Shock shadows is they're like unlike anything I've ever felt before. Let's see, that's so pretty. It's like, it has like, it's like reddish, it's kind of like red berry tone with reflective pieces of glitter in it. But the beautiful thing about Colourpop is this is like a formula I've never even, just like no one else has this formula. It's really pretty and soft, and it almost feels like gel and creamy. It's so creamy, but it's also so pigmented. So that's the color right there. Let's go ahead and swatch it next to. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell that. It's like a red pinky mixed in with some, like I said, reflective glitter. It's so pretty. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty on the eyelid. I literally, if I press in it, you could see my actual impression of my finger, because that's how like soft they are. But soft in like a good way, where it's really creamy, not where it's like gonna be super crumbly, because it is so soft. So the next item is another Super Shock, and it's in the shade Drift. Okay, this looks like it's a deeper red. Let's go ahead and take this out and swatch it for you guys. Oh, that's so pretty. Like, look at that. That is going to be awesome. This would be a perfect color for like Christmas or something really, you know, when you're, look at that, right next to the other color. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Yeah, that is so pretty. And these are something that I could create a look with that. You know what I mean? I would definitely have to throw in a transition shade, but that looks really pretty on my hand. That's gorgeous. Okay, so let's go on to my next product, which is a ultra glossy lip in the shade Flying Horses. I was really hoping to get a gloss so I could try out the formula. So this is what it looks like in the tube. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Like I said, this is a gloss, so it's gonna have that consistency. Ooh, that's pretty. I know you guys, that's not a really good swatch, but I feel like this will this is a perfect opportunity for me to try out Colourpop's gloss formula and see if I really like it and see if it's too sticky. It isn't super pigmented. This is me building it up. It's not like, this is a different formula compared to like an Anastasia gloss or a Kylie gloss, but it does look super pretty, and I do like this color. I feel like it was going to be darker, but once I actually swatched it, it does look lighter than what's in the bottle, so that's really cute. So our next product is a ultra blotted lip, and let's see, in the shade Doozy. Ooh, that is gonna be a color, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it right below the gloss. Okay, so here it is right here. Okay, ooh, that's pretty. And then this way, I actually haven't tried this formula yet, guys, so I'm super excited to try it and see if it's going to, it looks like it is going to have some cream to it, it's not going to dry down matte. I mean, it does say blotted lip, so I'm assuming that means it's going to transfer a little bit, but it does look really pretty. That is a pretty, like, kind of pinky red color that I think would look good. So I'm excited to try that formula. And then our next product, let's see what this is. It's the whole fun of unpackaging, right? Oh, cool. It's a lippy stick. I've actually had some of these in the past and I really did enjoy them. They do last a lot longer too with the primer stick. So this is in the color Ziggy, and this is a matte. Ooh, that's dark. Yeah. So right there, this is kind of like a red brown. It definitely is darker. I don't know if I'm necessarily gonna like this. I am fair skinned, as you can tell, so this might be actually too brown for me, but it's definitely something that I could use potentially on the outer portions of my lip to kind of darken it up, and then I could always do like an ombre lip and do a lighter color in the middle. So it's definitely not something that I would wear just on its own, but I think that would still be something I can play with. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to another product. It's 21 Questions. This is a Velvet Blur. This is supposed to be one of their, it's a color coming from their new formula that I'm actually excited to try. You could see it right here. Let me swatch that right here. Ooh, it's gonna be pretty. I actually thought this was gonna be darker than what it's swatching, but see, this is what it's swatching. So this is a really pretty color. It's like, it's red. It definitely has a red undertone, but it's not super like candy apple red. But I think that's gonna be really pretty. I'm noticing a trend here, guys. You guys notice the trend? There's lots of red and browns. Ooh, cool. So I actually wanted to try this. So this is their mascara, guys. Oh, this is super cute. Look at it. So it has all over it, it has like little hearts with BFF on it. And it's supposed to be a BFF mascara. Let's go ahead and check out that wand. Ooh. So guys, you can see the wand. That actually is really, I feel like this would be a very volumizing brush. It does have a lot of bristles, so I'll definitely have to try it out and get back to you guys if it bleeds or if it transfers, because that's a big thing with mascara. You don't want it to transfer. And then our last product, last but not least, this is a Colourpop Super Shock Cheek. Super Shock Cheek, and it's in Guilty Pleasure. That's the shade. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch this. And remember, this is like the Super Shock eyeshadow. It's super creamy and very pigmented. Ooh, look at that highlight. Pick it up here. It does have a golden undertone, which I think is really smart of Colourpop because it really does allow a lot of different skin tones to use this highlighter. But it is so creamy. I just love their formula. It's like so fun to play with. It's like crazy. But it has like this golden pink kind of undertone. It's really pretty, very pigmented, so you're gonna get a good highlight out of it. Okay guys, well that's the end of it. I love, part of me loves mystery bags and the other part of me gets nervous with mystery bags. But I think actually this was a good deal. And I feel like you did get quite a bit of products for your $25. So this is something that I kind of enjoy because one, I wanted to try these formulas anyway, so it's kind of an easy way for me to try the formula. If I don't necessarily love the shade on my skin color, it's okay because ultimately I will still be able to know and see if I like the formula, and then I could buy nudes or brights or whatever I wanted to do with it. But this is a good chance for me to try out and then also build up my Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow collection. So I was able to, for the $25, get 2 Super Shock eyeshadows. These are $5 a piece. And then get a highlighter, which is $8. Super pretty. I love their highlighters. I have another one of their highlighters, and it's just super pigmented and super blinding. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. And then I was able to get a full-size mascara, which is really cool because I wanted to try this formula anyway because it is more affordable. And I was able to get a lippy stick, a lip gloss, and then a blotted lip. Okay, so like I said, these maybe weren't necessarily the shades that I would go to Colourpop's website and actually pick out the shade, but it's still a good opportunity for me to try out the formula and see if I like it. And they are so pretty colors. I'm just more of a nudes girl, so it's just easy for me to always justify that I need more nudes. And then my last product was a actual Velvet Blur liquid lip. Like I said, this is super pretty and I'm really excited to try out this color. So well, I think I got a good deal and it kind of adds to my Colourpop collection. So thank you guys for chiming in and watching this video. If you do like my eye look that I have right here, I actually did film a makeup video for Valentine's Day, and this is the eye look I went with. I'm super excited and I think it looks really pretty. And I was able to recreate this look that I was going for with my Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. So that's the palette I used to get this look. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit the little bell. That way you can be notified when I upload my next video. So it's been fun, guys.